Hey guys, I'm out in the yard and I'm collecting a lot of my medicinal herbs that I have growing around. You can see I have a bunch here, a bunch of spearmint, some horehound. But over here, I have harvested, basically pulled them up by the root because I have a lot of medicinals growing everywhere. And I have a lot of spearmint that I am potting. You can see here. So I'm going around collecting a lot of the spearmint that I have and putting them in pots. I have some oregano going in pots. I also have some yarrow. I'll be potting those also. And I have elderberry. One cool thing about elderberry is that once you plant it, it'll grow a lot of shoots. And so you can just kind of like pull them up and put them in pots or replant them other places. And elderberry has a lot of medicinal benefits. So I try to grow a lot of medicinal herbs that, have a lot of good benefits for us. This is the spearmint. Spearmint grows crazy. But I like to plant it in a lot of areas because in the high desert it's very dry, and the spearmint helps protect the soil, helps hold in water. So I do plant that in a lot of areas, especially around the fruit trees. So I will be potting these so I can share with others. And feel free to follow Epps Urban Homestead Farm. On Facebook, Instagram, we'll be having a grand opening soon. We're finally kind of getting into the end. I could say the end, but we've done a lot of work now. When we moved here, we were like on bare desert dirt with like 2 trees, and now we have like 30, 40 trees, fruit trees, and a bunch of medicinal herbs, fruits, vegetables, a lot of different things. And the whole thing of us growing the homestead was to become more self-sufficient, along with networking. I want to have tours along with a lot of different classes, different techniques of how to do things. And God will be expanding the homestead very, very soon. So please sign up on our mailing list if you like. If you teach anything, if you make teas, if you know how to make stuff from plants, different medicinals, vegan stuff, just all kind of different things. As I said, we're going to be pretty soon having a lot of that stuff going on around here. Okay, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.